name is Ruthiran Analalaki Anbulagan. My entry number is B0918103771. Today I am going to talk about audit report of Laman Hikmah Library UTEM. Abstract. A library is curated selection of information sources and related tools that experts choose and make available for reference or borrowing to a given group, often in quiet study or setting. It offers material physically or digitally and can be physically or virtually location or both. Books, journals, manuscripts, films, maps, prints, materials, microforms, CD assets, videotapes, DVDs, Blu-ray disc, ebook, audiobook, database, table games, video games, and other formats can be found in the library selections and collections. Library size range to millions of products around the board. The first library consists of the first written archives, cuneiform scripted clay table found in Sumer, some of which date back to 2600 BC. In the 5th century BC, in classical Greece, private or personal library composed of written book appeared. At the close of the Classic Age in the 6th century, Constantinople and Alexandria remained the largest library in the Mediterranean world. Timbuktu libraries have also developed and attracted scientists from throughout the world. For use and maintenance, a library is organized by a public entity, an organization, a business, or a private person. Public and institutional collection and resources may be intended for the use of individuals who do not or cannot afford to buy a large collection themselves. Who needs information that is reasonable expected to accession by any person, or who needs professional help in their studies. In addition to the distribution of books, libraries offer librarians skilled in knowledge search, organizations, and interpretations. Libraries often provide quiet areas for reading and often provided shared areas for group researches and collaboration. Libraries also provide their electronic or internet connection to public services. Modern libraries are gradually redefined as places to access information in many formats and from many sources without restrictions. The broaden facilities beyond the building physical walls through electronically available materials through librarians, help in navigations and studies of the very large quantities of information through a range of digital tools. Libraries are becoming more and more essential for community activities and individuals who else interested in lifelong learning. Introduction. University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTEM was established as a result of the rebranding of College University Technical Kebangsaan Malaysia KUTKM Section 8 of the University and College University Act 1971 Act 30 under the University Technical Malaysia Melaka Enhancement Pemerbandaran 2007, which was gazetted as PUA 47/2007 on 1st February 2007. Since 10 June 2001, the UTEM Library has been in service serving 348 Pioneer Studios at Taman Tasik Utama Ayer Keroh, Melaka, temporary campus. Laman Hikmah Library was moved to the industrial campus from the temporary campus on 5 September 2005, which started operation on 12 September 2005. The Laman Hikmah Library will feed approximately 400 users with an area of 2,229 square meters. In additionally, the main Laman Hikmah Library, 432 square meters, offers 120 seats to students from the Department of Electrical Engineering and the Department of the Electronic and Computer Engineering. On 1st October 2007, Laman Hikmah Library has also opened a branch of its postgraduate students at the Institute of Technology Management and Entrepreneurship and the university in the city campus of Jalan Hang Tuah, Melaka. On 8 July 2009, the Laman Hikmah Library relocated to a new building at Durian Tunggal, the main campus from the industrial campus. On 29 September 2009, it began operation. On 16 January 2019, it was closed and merged with the Campus Library of Technology. The main campus Laman Ikma Library provides a seating capacity of 500 users at all times. 10, 10 million, 1,006,368 square meters. On 3rd September 2009, the library of the industry campus was closed. The Laman Ikma library was opened by Hang Tuah Jaya in Melaka and industrial in 2011, April 2011. It provides the students of the both faculty and mechanical engineering and technology engineering faculty with referent faculty FTK. The Laman Ikma library has a surface area of 2,229 square meter and can accommodate about 400 users. Laman Ikma library has over 125,000 titles and 13 of these are substrate database titles, including engineering materials related to the main field of electrical engineering, electronic and computer engineering, technology management and technology engineering, mechanical engineering, engineering technology, communication. In addition, other scientific fields including physical, chemistry, mathematics are also collected as general readings. Audit report. Number 1 is external walls. Description. The defects which are commonly found in external wall painted with normal coat-out paints. For example, wrinkling, greening, fading, blooming and blistering. Replacement. Proper set of paints should be chosen in order to prevent defects. Number 2. Doors. Problem found in doors are currently old and shaky. Example, sticky door, loose screws, squeaky hinges. Replacement, ECA 400 slide door are recommended. Example of it can be selected because fine frame profile, narrow and medium steel, adjustable astragal. Number 3. Windows. Fixed windows are very basic windows that don't open, also known as fixed frame windows. Often they are referred to as a picture window because they provided an outdoor view but cannot be in the open. Although ventilation is prohibited and non-operable windows are in addition to any house because they can be filled with light. Replacement. Type of replacement window offer as big as opening from ventilation as a casement window. Also, casement windows can catch side breeze because they open such acts as a flap to funnel refreshing outdoor air into your living space. Casement windows features fewer mutants, strip of window, vinyl, metal or fiberglass that divide pane of glass that other conversational windows options. This yield a broader, clearer view of your landscape, resulting a seamless connection between the outdoors and your interior. One of the challenge of window replacement is finding window style that complement your home architectural style. You won't have to worry about such as issues with casement windows as they come in a wide variety of design such as French, pochette and colonial grille to name a few. Casement windows features hook-shaped casement looks embedded within their fitness, which give home as added layer of security. Type of maintenance. Preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance refers to regular routine maintenance to help keep equipment up and running, preventing any unplanned downtime and expensive cost from unanticipated equipment failure. It requires careful planning and scheduling of maintenance on equipment before there is an actual problem, as well as keeping accurate records of past inspection and serving reports. Preventive management can be very complex, especially for companies which are a lot of equipment. Collection maintenance. Collection maintenance refers to the daily care of collections. keeping the stack storage area neat and clean, performing general housekeeping tasks in the building, and periodically cleaning the collection themselves. These activities can vary slightly because of organizations. Personnel in the public or university library might need to improve their shelves on the regular basis, while personnel in an archive should ensure that collections are in the correct order and returned to the appropriate storage room. A library with a general collection can carry out a student cleaning project, while a special collection department can construct to clean those items with the conservatory. However, the common features of all these operations is that selection conditions must continuously be monitored and taken care of properly. Stack maintenance. Stack maintenance is the general term for the work done in the stacks. All the works in the stacks is planned to enhance users' experience and to preserve library materials. The library looks good and welcoming if the stacks placed in the organized manner, and clients and librarians can readily locate what is sought. Life cycle cost of the replacement of equipment. Equipment external wall. Year of life 10. Unit cost 10,000. Investment per year 10,000. Total investment in 10 years is 10,000. Next, door. Quantity 100. Year of life 10. Unit per cost 2,000. Investment per year is 200,000. Total investment in 10 years 2,000. Windows. Quantity 200. Year of life 10. Unit cost 500. Investment per year 100,000. Total investment in 10 years is 100,000. It's totally cost Rm 310,000. Discussion. Project management. Project management must also pay great attention to the schedule of monitoring. A project has a job completion date, therefore the timetable will be given attention by contractor agreements. In general, building delays are extra costs because of a late occupancy of the building or other reasons. In comparison with the estimated expenses, real period of operation can be constructed with expected duration. This is what it is. It might be appropriate to predict the time for such tasks. If the accuracy of times estimate is important, a systematic approach to include this factor can be established. Based on previous experiment, if possible, without your practices in the past, ask someone who has completed the job or project already what can go wrong and how much time each task has taken. You have a lot of reputation and money to lose. Underestimating the time it takes for a project to be carried out. You can have put other people under undue stress if you understand time. Not only do you miss deadlines. Conclusion and recommendations. The history and the construction maintenance scenario in UTM Laman Hikmah Library, the lack of prevention is described as the key problem involving poor maintenance. To tackle the issue, these researchers implement preventive maintenance. This article discusses the application of the maintenance features. Certain key factors contribute to customer satisfaction are illustrated by some efficiency features. These ensure that the overall maintenance efficiency is greatly improved by these functions. Awareness and capacity in repairs, replacement parts quality and materials. Duration and competence of the fixed maintenance interval, maintenance management capacity, and technical capabilities. Maintenance data acquisition, budget allocation. Maintenance data reliability and tracking frequent and inspection frequency. This paper therefore states that individuals concentrate on this property when preparing and executing maintenance operation. In order to enhance and achieve both maintenance efficiency and customers satisfaction, it is recommended that all customers, maintenance staff and users building engage in the preparation of maintenance plan in communication channels such as meeting and service quality service.